Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
Defense indigenization, starting troubles. A single defense deal is emblematic of the delays affecting India's defense modernization plan. On September 8, the Cabinet Committee on Security cleared a Rs 20,000 crore proposal to buy 56 C-295 military transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force from Airbus Industries. The deal cleared by the Defense Acquisition Council in 2015 has been waiting for the green light for 6 years. After a contract is eventually inked, Airbus will assemble 40 of the 56 military transport aircraft in India with its partner Tata Advanced Systems Ltd. Taliban named Suhail Shaheen Afghan UN envoy asking to speak to the world leaders. The Taliban have asked to address world leaders at the United Nations in New York this week and nominated their Doha-based spokesman Suhail Shaheen as Afghanistan UN ambassador, according to a letter seen by Reuters on Tuesday. Taliban Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi made the request in a letter to UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres on Monday. Muttaqi asked to speak during the annual high-level meeting of the General Assembly, which finishes on the Monday. Guterres spokesperson Farhan Haq confirmed Muttaqi's letter. The move sets up sat down with Ghulam Isaaqzai, the UN ambassador in New York, representing Afghanistan government, outset last month by the Taliban. Haq said the rival request for the Afghanistan UN seat had been sent to a 9-member credential committee, which members include the United States, China, and Russia. The Taliban later says Isaaqzai's mission is considered over, that he no longer represents Afghanistan. The decision was postponed on the understanding that the current representative of Afghanistan, accredited to the United Nations, would continue to participate in the work of the General Assembly, according to the committee report. IPL 2021 young workhorse Kartik Tyagi reaps his rewards in dream final over against Punjab Kings. Kartik Tyagi came up with a mellowed down reaction after delivering one of the best final overs when defending a target for Rajasthan Royals against Punjab Kings on Tuesday in IPL 2021. The 20-year-old known for his fiery celebration was just soaking in the moment, knowing he has done something special, something that will be remembered for a long time by the cricket fraternity. Kartik Tyagi was entrusted with the responsibility of bowling the last over when Punjab Kings needed just 4 runs in the last over with 8 wickets in hand. He did the improbable, gave away just 1 run and picked up 2 wickets. Kartik has picked up 12 wickets in 2 seasons in the Indian Premier League. The 20-year-old was showcased that he is a bowler with a lot of heart, who will give it his all on the field. When we wanted to take up cricket as a career option, his parents were willing to back up, but he did not find the same encouragement from the rest of his close ones. Kartik reaped the reward for all the hard years that he had put in over the last few years on Tuesday in Dubai. 6 balls, 1 run and 2 wickets. The Hapur boys certainly won for the future.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.